I was looking at the Veterans Administration website. They have a section on PTSD, not surprisingly. Here we go. Recent data from the National Comorbidities Survey replication indicates lifetime PTSD prevalence rates are 3.6% and 9.7%, respectively, among American men and women. So just less than 4% of all American men and just less than 10% of all American women during their lifetime will suffer from PTSD. That's those are really big numbers. I mean, is it your experience?
Staggering.
Do you think that's an understatement, or do you think that sounds about right?
No, I think that sounds about right, and I think that's terrible. I mean, let's just talk a little bit too about global politics. So, for example, if we don't actually have a war on American soil. I mean, we had 9/11, but if you go to places like Syria or like Israel or like Egypt or Lebanon, Jordan, Rwanda. I mean, you look all over the world; those numbers are low. I mean, there are places where war and refugees have incredible. So, and then people are looking more and more at what's called multi-generational trauma. So that if your parents are traumatized, a lot of times they pass that on to the kids. I mean, the kids, learn to react in a hyper fearful way. There's even epigenetics that suggests that if your parents are highly stressed when your mother is pregnant, that can be influencing the fetus. And then these people develop, the fear of the other and of the outsider, and they're trained in that kind of hatred as well. So we get these repetitive cycles of multi-generational trauma that just go on for hundreds, sometimes thousands of years. And so how do we interrupt that? And I think psychedelic psychotherapy is one of the ways that can do that.